Miss Young here is Thailand about Dingtalk, so before we start, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Today, we would like to discuss this AI table. Today, we'll continue learning about the formula field. Actually, the formula field can also be used together with the user field. For example, we can let the system automatically check whether the record has been assigned to a person or whether the reviewer has already been arranged. Today, I will use a simple example to demonstrate. First, we come to AI table. For today's demonstrations, we will still using the review table. This time, we will use the user field as our example. Sometimes, in actual work, we may need to quickly know whether each record has already been assigned to a reviewer. If we check the records one by one, it will take more time. So today, we will use the formula field to let the system automatically check whether the reviewer field has been filled in. Next, click Add Field on the right side. Scroll down and find Formula. Click on it. Add a title for it. Here, I will enter reviewer status, means this field is mainly used to show whether the reviewer has already been assigned. Next, click Edit Formula. After entering the formula editor, we can see that the left side shows the field in the current data table. For example, review ID, review type, and more. This field can be referenced in the formula, so the system can calculate or judge based on the content inside those fields. For this example, we are going to use the user fields, so we find reviewer. Here we can see one formula example. This formula means the system will first check whether the reviewer field is empty. If the reviewer is empty, the result will show, which means not assigned. If reviewer has already selected user, the result will show, which means assigned. Next, we can click the copy button on the right side to copy this formula. Then, paste it into the formula editor above. After pasting it, we can check whether the field name is matched correctly. Since I want the final result to display in English, I will change this to not assign and this to assign. So, the final formula will become. Of course, if your company usually use Chinese, you can also keep it as default. This can be adjusted based on your own language preference. After confirming that the formula is correct, click Save. And we will return to the field setting page. We can also add a field description if needed. After complete, click Save. Now we can see that the new formula fields has been successfully added to AI table. The field will automatically display the corresponding status based on the content in reviewer. For example, if this record already has a reviewer, the system will show assigned. If this record has not selected any reviewer yet, the system will show not assigned. Later, if we modify the reviewer field, the reviewer status field will also update automatically. Here, don't underestimate this formula because our table has only a few records now. We can easily see which record has or has not been assigned to a person. But once the number of records increase, for example, dozen or even hundred of records, or when different departments are using the table together, checking one by one whether any user fields is missing will become time-consuming and easy to overlook. So through this formula fields, the system can directly help us check whether the user field has been filled in. This made the process clearer and more efficient, especially for review workflow, task assignments, person-in-charge tracking, and any workflow that requires assigned people. Alright, that's all for today's tutorials on using a formula field in AI table to check whether a user has been assigned. Through these features, we can see that the formula fields are not only used for calculations, they can also help us check the completion status of user field. Pretty simple, right? Let's try. So, if you like our tutorial video, please click like and share. Last but not least, ABCD just in one. See you next time. Bye! Hello everyone.